Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 7th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 13 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World's first CNG motorcycle has been manufactured by. Answer is Bajaj. Bajaj Auto Limited on 5th July launched the world's first CNG motorcycle. Motorcycle named the Freedom 125, priced between 95,000 rupees and 1,10,000 rupees. The 125cc engine comes with a dual tank for CNG and petrol, and the fuels can be manually or automatically switched. The bike offers a 330 km range combined with 65 km per liter from its 2-liter petrol tank and the rest from the 2-liter CNG tank. Question number 2. World's first carbon fiber passenger train was unveiled in. Answer is China. China has introduced the world's first passenger train made from carbon fiber, a material known for its lightweight and energy-efficient properties. The metro train, dubbed Setrovo 1.0 or the Carbon Star Rapid Transit, was unveiled in Qingdao, Shandong Province. Setrovo trains was developed by Qingdao Sifeng Rolling Stock Company and designed to travel at speeds up to 140 km per hour. Question number 3. Which state becomes second to start the MBBS course in Hindi? Answer is Bihar. Bihar government has announced to offer Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery, and MBBS courses in Hindi. The facility will be available in all 21 medical colleges located in Bihar, including 10 state government and 2 central government-run institutions. With this decision, Bihar becomes the second state after Madhya Pradesh to avail this facility for the students. Question number 4. Which university became world's first to start an MA course on Bhagavad Gita? Answer is IGNOU. Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, has announced the launch of a new MA program in Bhagavad Gita studies for the academic session 2024 to 2025. The course will begin in July 2024 and will be offered through open and distance learning. The course was developed and designed by Professor Devesh Kumar Mishra, who is also the course coordinator. Question number 5. Who has received the Spice Award 2024 by ICAR? Answer is Sopna Kalingal. Sopna Kalingal, an agriculturist from Kalingal plantation in Thrissur, was recently honored with the prestigious Spice Award 2024. The Indian Institute of Spices Research, ICAR, gave her this award to recognize her outstanding work in business diversification and integrated crop management. Kalingal plantation has been a model of various and long-lasting farming, while Ms. Kalingal was in charge. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of the United Kingdom? Answer is Keir Starmer. Sir Keir Starmer has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of the United Kingdom by monarch King Charles III on 5th July 2024 at Buckingham Palace in London. Keir Starmer is the 58th Prime Minister of UK. Sir Keir Starmer's Labour Party won a landslide victory in the recently held parliamentary election. He replaced the Conservative Party leader, Rishi Sunak, whose party badly lost the election. Question number 7. Who became the first female finance minister of the United Kingdom? Answer is Rachel Reeves. Keir Starmer's Labour Party achieved victory in the 2024 parliamentary election. Rachel Reeves becomes the UK's first female finance minister. Rachel Reeves became the Labour's finance policy chief in 2021 and then served as the Shadow Chancellor of the Exchequer. She has been a Member of Parliament for Leeds West from 2010 to 2024. Question number 8. How many MPs of Indian origin have won in the general elections held in United Kingdom? Answer is 26 MPs. 26 Indian origin members of Parliament have been elected to the House of Commons in the United Kingdom's general election, as results were announced on 5 July 2024. Britain's House of Commons has 650 MPs, or members of Parliament. Each of their seats represents a constituency or district. So far, Labour Party has won 412 seats, while the Conservatives Party have slumped to just 121, and centrist Liberal Democrats Party have taken 71. Question number 9. What was the total value of defence production in India in 2023 to 24? Answer is 1,26,887 crore rupees. According to the Ministry of Defence on 5 July 2024, India's total annual defence production reached 1,26,887 crore rupees in 2023 to 24. It is India's highest ever production of defence equipment and products in any financial year. This is a significant rise from 1,08,684 crore rupees in financial year 2022 to 23. This marks a 16.7% increase over the previous year and an impressive 60% growth since 2019 to 20. Question number 10. Jagdish Devada has presented a budget of 3.65 lakh crore rupees for financial year 25 for. Answer is Madhya Pradesh. On 3 July 2024, Jagdish Devada, Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister of Madhya Pradesh, presented a budget of 3.65 lakh crore rupees for financial year 2024 to 25. This budget is 16% higher than financial year 24's 3.14 lakh crore rupees. The theme of the budget was Viksit Madhya Pradesh, Viksit Bharat. The state's own tax revenues are estimated at 1,02,097 crore rupees. Question number 11. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Press Information Bureau, PIB? Answer is Dhirendra Ojha. Senior Indian Information Service (IIS) officer Dhirendra Ojha has been appointed as Director General of Press Information Bureau (PIB). 1990 batch officer Ojha will replace Shefali Sharan, who has been appointed as the Director General of the Publications Division. Question number 12. Which state announced e-Pink Rickshaw scheme for women self-employed? Answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra state government has recently launched the Maharashtra Pink e-Rickshaw scheme 2024. The state government will use this plan to encourage female citizens to get an e-rickshaw. All the selected female citizens of the Maharashtra state will receive financial support to purchase an e-rickshaw. Question number 13. World Zoonosis Day is observed every year on. Answer is 6 July. World Zoonosis Day is observed on 6 July every year after 1885 to raise awareness about zoonotic diseases. Zoonotic diseases are infections that transmit disease between animals and humans. These diseases, also known as zoonoses, include swine flu, rabies, bird flu, and various foodborne infections. On 6 July 1885, Louis Pasteur administered a rabies vaccine to a boy bitten by a rabid dog, saving his life. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.